Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A98, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications. I'm going to swipe down again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be the hotspot toggle. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Now once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, you want to hold it. I'm going to select more, and this will take us to the settings. Now the reason you want to do this is because in the settings you will number one be able to see the hotspot password, and number two, you can actually change it, which I highly recommend doing because by default this will be just randomly generated garbage. So I'm gonna set up my password. I'm gonna make it for this purpose very simple here. So that's basically one of the things that I want to change. Now going down in the list we have a couple additional settings, but I only recommend changing them if you know what they do. If you don't, keep them as they are. This will ensure that the hotspot basically works whenever you need it. Let's click on the check mark. This will save the settings, as you can see, and automatically enable your hotspot. So there we go. Now later on, once you're done with the hotspot, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle, and the same thing goes when you want to use it. You can also tap on the toggle and it will automatically turn it on or off. And the hotspot password that I have chosen will basically stay that way, so you don't need to go there into the settings ever again to change it, as long as you remember the password. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.